Yes.
What page are we on?
What do you mean, what page are we on?
What we learned in the book.
I'm just using my book as I teach. You don't have to have your book open. In fact, I hope you don't. Why aren't you working? You zoomed in too far. All right. So in your notes, you probably also noticed, which I should have told you before this, you noticed that we didn't actually collect the assignment from you. We just walked around and took a look at it. That means that your notes and your homework can be back to back if you want them to, or you can have your homework and your notes in 2 different sections. It's up to you. People like to do things differently. This is section 1.2. Get it together, dude. Oh my gosh. This is a nightmare.
See, I opened it.
It's unlocked?
It's unlocked.
Okay. I'll fix that in a moment when I'm not being recorded. All right.
Oh my goodness.
Al.
I'm not responsible enough to.
Algebraic expressions. Good. You're going to find that part of this course is me refreshing you on things that you learned with Mr. Olson. Because I also know that Mr. Olson goes pretty fast, and that math is an easy thing to forget. And so for some of you, it will be a refresher, and some of you, you'll be like, wow, I'm learning this for the first time. I've never seen it before, which is not true, but it may feel like that. And then we're going to start getting into some stuff that you do not know how to do. Okay. So do you remember how last time the assignment was to look at words and translate them into symbols and numbers, right? Okay. So what it's going to be this time is I want you to write this. But you're going to write it in words. Somebody want to help me out right here? I know this is 2/3, but what should we talk about that goes between the 2/3 and the m squared? Addison. I could say 2/3, that's true. Or I could say 2/3, but what is the operation that's missing right there? AJ? Multiplication. So when I write this, I'm going to say 2/3. If you wrote 2/3, you're still right. Times. You could also write multiplied by the variable m squared. That works, yes. That's why we made that big list the first day of all the words that are acceptable. Yeah?
Can I say for m, can I say numbers?
You could say a number squared. That works. All right. Does everybody feel okay about that? I assume I don't need to do a bunch of examples, yeah? No, you don't have to. In fact, I'm not even sure why I did, so I'm not proud of that one. All right. The other one that I really wanted to talk about was substituting stuff. Yes, and we are going to have a partner problem here, so let's practice first. Everybody ready? Everybody write a squared, parentheses, 3b minus a plus 5 parentheses divided by c. Now, is this something that right now you could give me just a numerical answer? You'd have to know what A is, what B is, what C is, right? So let me tell you. A is 2. And B is 6. And C is 4. I'm going to do this one with you, but I'm looking at those calculators back there, and I'm realizing nobody has one, so go get one. Yep, you're just fine. I'll let you know anytime you need a graphing one, okay? Otherwise, just assume, Madison, that you're good to go with that one. Yes, I will. Okay. Always. You're still doing them, aren't you? Oh, you can't write?
Well, I can, but it's not
Okay. How about you?
right-handed.
Okay. How are you going to do your homework then?
Last time I told Miss Longmire they wrote it.
That's fine. That's fine with me. Can you make sure that you're actively talking to your partner? Okay, when you're doing the problem together.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. A squared, I'm going to write in 2 squared because A is 2. Notice, everybody, and if you're like, but I know better, I'm sure that some of you do, and I'm not criticizing those of you who don't understand so far, because let me say this. Look at me. Okay? If you had problems in a previous math class, I'm excellent at starting over with people. I'm really good at it. Like, it's one of my talents is taking people who hate math and are scared of math and being patient and working with them. So don't quit on me. Don't shut down. Don't refuse to talk to your partner. We can do it together. Okay? And if you're like, this is too easy, then great. You know why? Because guess what you have to do in real life? You have to talk to other people about your ideas. You have to communicate to people. Talk to them gently, talk to them kindly, and not ignore me right now. Okay? You have to be able to communicate with people. So, that's the requirement. All right, I'm doing this one with you. Let's see if you got it right. If you've already been working on it, I didn't expect you to if you haven't, so we're just doing it together. 2 squared times 3 times 6 minus 2 plus 5 parentheses divided by 4. You see that this gives us more practice with order of operations again? Do you guys see that when I plugged stuff in, look up. Up here, I've got a bunch of variables. Here, no variables are left. I didn't put the 2 next to the A. I replaced it. It goes there instead. All right, I'm going to do my parentheses first. I've got 2 squared still times. In the parentheses first, I'm going to do 18, 3 times 6, then minus 2 plus 5, and then divided by 4. Everybody okay with me doing all 3 things in the parentheses at once? 18 minus 2 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Then I'm going to divide by 4. Okay, what should I do next? Yes?
Turn the X
Into just a number, right? So 2 squared is 4, like this. And now we're going to do the multiplying. That's 84 minus 4, which is 80. Oh, do I do it wrong? Divided by 4. Ooh. All right. If I ever do math wrong, not copying it down wrong, not saying it wrong, because that's just me being a human, but if I actually do math wrong, like I do the math wrong, and somebody calls me out on it, you automatically get a prize. Okay? There's nothing wrong with telling your teacher that they made a mistake. So that was 84 divided by 4, which is 21. All right. How are we feeling about it? Good. You ready to have a contest where you come up here and share your ideas and get a prize? B times 9 minus C parentheses divided by A squared. This time, A is going to be 4, B is going to be 6, and C is going to be 8. You must talk to your partner right now. Don't just be silent. Talk out loud now.
So B, our partner plays with 6. You're with 8 in a rare.
This cover is not turning on.
9 minus 8 is 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by You want to know if you're right? I do not want a decimal. Everybody look up. I want a fraction right now. And the answer is going to be 3/8 if you reduce it. Okay? So we're practicing, not only doing order of operations, we're practicing. If you got 6/16, you are one step away from finishing. They thought that it was going to be a decimal answer. Yeah.
I know. He's also just wondering how to do it.
All right. Do we need some more time? Good. Corbin, you guys still working or just talking? Are you working or talking? You're not in trouble. Are you still working on the problem? Okay, good. All right. I'm just checking to see if you need extra time. You're not in trouble. All right. So, everybody ready? Okay. Prizes today include, I'm a winter signs, some dinosaurs, because of course it's Triassic Thursday. We all know this. Thursdays are made for dinosaurs, duh. Okay, here's some taffy. You can pick one of those and check what it is. All right, talk to your partner. Decide if you want to come up here, and if you do, who's going to write and who's going to talk. You will be recorded. All right, hands up. Oh, anything else to go back to that? All right. If you would like to come up here, please raise your hand. Only one hand up per group. 1, 2, 3, lovely. 4, 5, 6. 6, 7. 2.
Oh, you got it.
You were upset that you just got picked after raising your hands?
Alex, you can take that.
No, we'll go.
I heard pass. I heard pass.
Okay. I'm just putting the computer by you so that it hears you.
What do I say?
So you say, like, I would plug in 6 for B, etc., and then just make sure that you guys are lining up, boys. So when he's talking, you're writing what he's talking about, and if he's not caught up to you, slow down. Okay. All right, here we go. Listen up. Be polite.
I would put 6 for B, 8 for C, and what is that? 4 for A. Do parentheses first, so 8 minus 9 is 1, and then 6 times 1 is 6. Yeah. And then 4 squared is 16. And then it equals, I forgot what it was, 3/8.
How do you go from 6/16 to 3/8?
Just gotta simplify it.
How?
It's kind of
You divide it by 2.
Divide the top and the bottom by 2. That's perfect. Nice job, boys.
Oh!
Well done. Are we going for candy? Okay. I'm gonna stop.